okay, I'll bite. I looked at the Nithyananda site of all their skewed things they put up that shows that he's innocent. You know that big court document that you're talking about over there? One of them is a civil case, has nothing to do with the criminal case, and the other big document that they have up there, that big long thing when you open the page about how, oh, he's innocent, that's the spiel of his freaking lawyer. If you actually open the genuine court document that's there, all the garbage that's up on the top of it is nonsense said by his lawyer, not by the court. If you go to the bottom of that, you'll see that it says they're going to go forward March 12th to be framing the charges. Framing the charges means it's not dismissed, my dear. It means they're going forward. Okay? If you're going to sit there and claim that these court documents there prove he's innocent, there's nothing there that proves he's innocent. Okay? There is no document there that proves he is innocent. He's listed a bunch of fake documents which the court is not allowing in because they're faked. Just because his organization puts it up there doesn't mean that it's true. Okay, you might want to actually look at the genuine court documents that have been coming out, which I've been absolutely looking at and reading from bottom to top. You've taken an excerpt out that his lawyer has said to the court, trying to sway the court, and think that it's what the court judge was saying. It wasn't what the court judge, it was what his frigging lawyer was saying. And if you read at the bottom of that, it says they're going to go forward to frame the charges. Okay? And his lawyer is still dancing around it, trying to get out of the charges being framed. Now, if he were freaking innocent, like you think, 8 years ago, proven innocent, what charges would they be framing? Think about it. Think about it. Okay? Clear your brain fog as to what's going on. Okay? The 26th of March, he will be in court again. Okay? The courts are getting tired. They said you need to go forward, frame the charges. He takes it to a higher court. Tries to spin it again. They go, look, we've already been over this. We've already looked at the material, and you need to go forward with the court case. Okay? He's drug it out with his lawyers for 8 long years. It is still in motion. It is a criminal court case. And the document that's from the U.S. that supposedly proves he's innocent was a civil case, has nothing to do with the criminal case. And again, the court document that they have up there, which is a small little excerpt of a drama that his lawyer was trying to feed the court, okay, where he's claiming that his person is innocent. That's his lawyer claiming that, not the judge. It's not a judgment from the court. The judgment is at the end of that spiel where they're saying he needs to go forward and frame the charges. Yeah, that's nice. Pat him on the head, his lawyer, and say you need to go forward and the charges need to be framed, okay? So even no matter how much they try to spin it, for people like you that don't know how to read court documents, apparently, I've worked in a court system, okay? Not in Indian court, but I did work in a court system in the U.S. I made recommendations to the judge. I know how to read court documents, okay? And his court case is still going onward, okay? So when he becomes convicted, he can be avatar of the dark, okay? The prisoner's avatar, that'll be lovely. So if you want to follow the criminal avatar, be my guest. Okay? But again, you look at the website, that website is owned by Nithyananda, even though they have a picture of the court up there. And that whole big spiel that they put there, they wrote up, their spin team wrote it up. Okay, and the big court document that they have there, again, let me remind you, was nonsense that his lawyer was saying to the judge, not the judge. The court was saying to him, to Nithyananda. Okay, if you continue, again, read the court document at the bottom where it says the charges have to go forward to be framed. It didn't say it's dismissed. Okay? Not dismissed. They will go forward to be framed. That means, no, it doesn't matter what you said, what his lawyer was saying, which is what they put down, was part of the court thing, but it wasn't, again, was not being given out by the court. The case is still ongoing. Okay? I rest my case. Even no matter how much they want to try to spin it on their website and put up lies and put up fake things, the genuine court is not having it, okay? So you may want to believe it, but you know what? You're not the court. Just like Trump can sit here and try to spin things all he wants and say there's no collusion, there's no collusion, there's no collusion, they need to stop it, it should have never stopped. You know, it's not going to stop the facts. And him and his son are going to jail. And Kushner, they will all go to jail for money laundering, etc. There's a lot of stuff going on, and I don't care how much they want to spin it. The facts aren't going to lie. Okay? So I'm going to leave this here, and, you know, you can either wake up or not. I don't give a rat's ass one way or another. I'm doing this as a public courtesy for people like yourselves that are being taken in by a faked document that's been taken out of context, and you're being told and spun in such a different direction from what it's actually saying. Okay? Call me a liar if you want. I don't give, like I said, I don't give a rat's ass. In the end, it's going to trial. He's drug his feet for 8 years. The courts are getting tired of it now. Okay? They told him you need to go forward and frame the charges. He spun it again, it spun it again, it spun it again 3 more times. He can't keep doing that. So he will wind up, I'm telling you, he was going to be convicted. Because all his fake evidence, they are not allowing in. Okay? They may put it on their website all nice and tidy so you can see and get taken in by it. But the court is another story entirely. Okay? So namaste, have a great day. Or not, up to you. Okay?